Well, that's how you do that. Well, that was completely uncalled for. Hey, it's Josh in the Quick Speed Shop. Maximum destruction. So here's the original cab from my 80 Dodge restoration project. You can see it was completely rusty junk, and I didn't have any way to get the floor bolts loose. They were completely rotted in there, so it had been all disconnected across the back here from rust, so I figured the best way was just peel it right off. Oop, I gotta get these off still. How do I do that? Oh, there's some nuts there, but yeah. Kind of spoiled it. I got all the good stuff I needed off this, and I'm just making it smaller so I can take it to the scrap yard. And it smashed up pretty good. So that's the end of that for the stock 80 Dodge cab for my truck. I'm going to cut this chassis up. It's junk. I'm saving the axles. The rest of the frame is junk. But in here, if you guys are new, I'm restoring this truck, and I had to use a donor chassis and a donor cab, but the rest of the sheet metal is all good. I've been swapping interior stuff over. Here's the motor. It's a Magnum 5.9. Dashboard's here. So I'm doing a full restoration. Just had to use a donor cab and a donor frame. So that's why the original one is all smashed, and this one's in here good. If you're interested in the restoration of this truck, you go back. There's a whole play series on it. It's called 80 Dodge W200 Restoration in a playlist. You can see how it took to get to this point, and I started with really, really, really rusty trucks, and I'm finally getting it put back together. But the original cab and chassis is on its way to the scrapyard. So in the meantime, do all the things, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me, was I crazy to smash that? Guess what? It was completely junk, and it's got to go down the road. So we'll see you next time. We'll be doing actual restoration stuff next time, but a little destruction today. Bam. Got to do it once in a while here at the Quick Speed Shop.